So today I'm going to be reviewing Golden's High Flow Medium. This is a medium that is designed to be used with airbrushes, but it can also be used with other painting techniques. I've been using this product for years now, and I just love it. The Golden High Flow Medium is a clear, odorless, non-toxic medium. It's made with high quality ingredients and it's very easy to use. You can mix it with any type of acrylic paint and will help improve the flow and consistency of said paint. It will also help to create a smoother finish. It also will help the paint adhere to the surface you're painting with. It's really perfect, and it helps prevent clogging when you're using it with the airbrush. So I really love this product and I use it all the time. I'm going to show you right now how I would use this. So you can use it with basically any golden acrylic paint. So right now we're going to use this for this teal, and this is high flow, so it works with the high flow. And I'm just going to put that in there, and you can see it's at a certain consistency, and maybe I want the consistency a little bit thinner than what I have, but I don't want to add water because water can separate the pigment from the binder. So by adding this high flow medium, I can thin it out even further, and I'll have even better flow in the airbrush. So you see how thin that is. It's very thin. That's going to go through that airbrush very easily. But notice I didn't lose any saturation. So I can take this paint, put it in my airbrush, and not have to worry about any clogging or tip dry or anything like that. So I give this a 10 out of 10 stars. I definitely recommend picking this up if you work in acrylics and you're an airbrush artist. That is Golden High Flow Medium. Thanks so much and happy painting.